Hey guys, it's your friendly neighborhood nigger. We're gonna learn how to cook some popcorn with your nigger. Yeah, that's me, nigger. As you can see, we're gonna cook some good Sunny Select microwave popcorn. Now, I choose to pick kettle corn, you know, because I'm a killer nigger. As you can see, you should have the Ratchet wave. I don't call it microwave, I call it Ratchet wave. As you can see from inside, come on, come closer, come inside. You can see the ratchetness in here. As you can see, it looks like a bull cummed in here. Put the camera on me. A bull did come in there. Okay, nasty too. Nasty ass bull. Anyways. I can't open the fucking thing.
If you look in the back, you could see me recording.
You don't need to see that. That's nothing. Anyways, cook this damn popcorn. Get the fucking. Alright. Now you should open them legs. Now you should treat the flaps like they're legs. So you have to open one leg like it's one flap, and the other leg like it's another flap. And there you get the coochie. You lick the coochie. You lick it nice too. Now it's gonna bend them legs because it's gonna be shy. Put it like in triangle. No, it's not Illuminati. It's not Illuminati. Now, we close it. You ready? Shit, I kinda ruined it. Anyways. I don't know what time to put it on, but we got these big signs right here, and we like to put it on popcorn or poop corn. Now it says 2.0 Oz. I don't know who that is, but you know, anyone want to explain it to me? Shout a nigga out. I said shout a nigga out. All right, let's go. Popcorn time. 2.0 Oz. Why does it say 140? It's probably 2 Oz. Let's go, man. Alright, put the camera on me. Now, as we're waiting for the popcorn to poop, I meant pop, I'm going to take you to our quick commercial break. As you can see, you're going to see selection B of this nice picture right here.
Alright.
Baby, won't you come my way? Why the fuck are you? Alright, it's ready. Hi, Mom. Hey. Go. Don't pay attention to. Anyways. Shit. Damn. You crazy, nigga. Alright, so. Now, many of you dumbasses out there. I'm not calling my fans dumbasses. My 8 subscribers. Them 8 subscribers. You're not a dumbass. Kinda alright. No, you're not. Alright. Now, the way to open popcorn is open them legs again. Bang! Oh, goddamn. In my eye. Open the legs again. Then you get the poop corn. And as you can see, it looks sexy. It looks kind of sexy. Sexy.
That way.
Sexy. Alright, now, if you go to your local Dollar Tree, you can get yourself one of these fine select popcorn little things.
First person to comment gets this fucking popcorn holder.
Yeah, you get the popcorn holder. First person to comment. Of our 8 subscribers. Now, I know you live in Bakersfield, so I'll be the first comment. I already got it, yeah. That's right. trying to. What happened? No, oh, not yet. Oh my god. Now, as you can see, that's not right. That's the hell is that? That's some butter. Pussy juice. Some pussy. As you can see, I'm not popping popcorn right because oh my god. Alright, I gotta clean it. Oh my god, it's overfilled. I think some of the popcorn got in the coffee. Mom! What? No. Oh my god. Oh my god. Let me get my ass kicked. Oh no. Oh no. Oh damn. Alright, I'm sorry. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my lord. Hey! Fuck your joke. God damn. Oh shit.
Now that's been a showing of how ghetto people cook popcorn.
It ain't over, nigga.
Crowd goes wild. And then Nathan gaze it up for the gay followers.
And that's how you make popcorn. With Nathan Morgan. Alright, niggas. Like, subscribe, comment.
Follow me on Instagram.
Follow this nigga on Instagram. Follow me on Instagram. Niggas Nate or Swagoo Nate.
Anthony,
bye, bitches.
Really, you didn't even give him my Instagram.
Who gives a fuck?
I'm important.